Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your headphones Philips. And before we starting, I wanna show you where we have controls. So the first button we have right here. It's like multifunctional button. And also we have two controls right here at the right headphone. So you can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the multifunctional button. Press. And as you can see, I pause the song, press again, and I play a song. To increase the volume, use volume up button would look like a plus. So press on it, and as you can see, I increase it. Let's make it again. You can also quick press. And to lower the volume, use a volume down button would look like a minus. So again, press on it, or quick press, and you will lower the volume. To play next track, press and hold at the volume up button. So press and hold. And I play next track. To play previous track, press and hold at the volume down button. And as you can see, it works. Also, if you wanna call voice assistant, you should press and hold at the multifunctional button. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works also. If somebody called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time at the multifunctional button. And to finish a call, press one more on the multifunctional button. But you can also reject a call by press and hold on this multifunctional button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.